taking a bit of getting used to. A lot of the trouble is the likes of here. Everything's in funny writing and I don't understand funny writing. So this one, you won't have seen this, it actually has a blade on. You've seen the attachment, we've reattached the blade. Not bad for a bit of amateur welding, is it? So yeah, and the job we're doing, basically this farm is extending its size clamps, and I'm just slowly but surely removing the soil. So we were at it yesterday and back at it today. Here we go in the cab. Got proper steps. Oh, not actually bad to get in. There's a ton of mud on my boots now though. Oh. So yeah, we've got the blade on there. We've got tilt on it as well. It did used to tilt that way as well, but where it broke, I wasn't confident I could get a good strong repair on, hence the reason we just welded it solid. Linkage there, sort of standard affair. Draft control, raise and lower, and not sure what. It used to have laser level, and I think it's something to do with all that lot, but don't know. But yeah, very simple machine to use. So I suppose I better get pushing. we're getting somewhere with this. I must apologise before I go any further if I sound like a drunken monkey. As much as I'm being organised in, I've got my mounts with me, I've got my mic with me, so you can see clearly what I'm trying to do, you can hear me clearly. I rather stupidly decided to do this bit this afternoon. Doesn't sound like too big a problem till you realise that I've been to the dentist about midday. So yeah, I'm at the moment trying my best not to bite my own tongue. But anyway, thoughts on this thing. Now on this job, there's no getting away from the fact that it's not a purpose-built bulldozer, something like a Cat D6 or something. There is a very, very definite feel that it's not designed from the outset to be a bulldozer. Like I've said, it's doing a pretty good job. It was a bit slow to start with it when I started pulling the grass off. Couldn't get a bite underneath that, and doing a lot of skinning around on the surface of it. And we've had a few hiccups along the way with it. The pin for the left and right angle snapped quite early on. Probably something that was on its way out and it just decided to go. We've also got a leak on the fuel filter, which has been stemmed the best I can. I mean, it's a proper agricultural fix. A couple of rubber gloves and a load of baler twine. It's a hole in the side of the filter, so there's nothing really I can do with it, but it's held it enough to do the job. We have pretty much got it to stop leaking now. I did try tying a rag around it yesterday, but it was leaking terribly this morning. Try not to run over the seagulls. There's nothing about. Can't believe I left till this afternoon to do the audio. That was really stupid. Yeah, I'm enjoying myself with this thing. Sounds like Farmer Sam's happy because he said, hey, come back and do a bit more. Mind you, I haven't caught his water pipe yet across here, so. Yeah, cool bit of kit. Real cool bit of kit. I can see a lot of applications for this. So we are about done here for topsoil. Like I said, there is a water pipe running straight across here, and it's a black water pipe as well, so if I do catch it, it will be a bugger to fix. But yeah, that's a bit of bulldozing. If you've made it to the end of this part of the video, don't forget, if you have enjoyed it, give it a grubby thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, if you enjoyed the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Don't forget about the shop. Down in the description, down there will be a link if you're on, you can get to the description, and that'll take you straight through to the shop for any merchandise. So I suppose all that's left to do is say thank you very much for watching. Hope everyone's keeping safe and well, and the current situation isn't driving me around the bend too much, and we'll see you next time. Cheers for watching.